So in the last video, we looked at the definition of custom comparator as well as lambda function. Now we will discuss certain patterns of question which we will see in sorting algorithms and how we can use them, how we can solve them using custom comparator and lambda functions, right? So the first pattern which I want to discuss is object and criteria. Okay, so remember in the last question, we are given some input data into my sort function. And the input get like the first iterator of the input array is given here, the second iterator is given here, and then there's a logic. Right, so object and criteria, what does it mean? It basically means that object is a data type which I want to sort. So identification of the object, of the right object which I want to sort, is very important in this particular pattern. Once we identify the object which I want to sort, I need to come up with the criteria. So criteria is nothing, it's just the logic which I'm going to use in order to sort my numbers. So in the last question, if you remember, in the we want to sort the element on the basis of the frequency, the object which I was using, which I want to sort, is actually the frequency. On the basis I want to sort the numbers. Okay, so this is basically the basis on the base on what I want to sort my numbers. So frequency array is my object. And what is the criteria? Criteria is the number, the frequency value. Now object could also be the input array. You can also take object as the input array, but both of them are generally object only. Like we are making use of two different objects. First one is the input array and second one is the frequency array in order to sort the numbers on the basis of the frequency. And what is the criteria? Criteria is the frequency value, right? So we have seen, like, if the frequency is equal, just return me the like lexicographically smaller number, and if the frequency of one of them is higher, then return me the lowest one. So that's how we will define object and criteria. Now let us look at one more question on object and criteria pattern.